Hello everyone, welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic. In today's video, I'll focus on revised biology practical pattern for the academic year 2020-21 for Maharashtra board. This skeleton question paper is applicable only for this academic year. This skeleton paper has almost 40% reduced syllabus. Students, I have divided this video into two parts. In the beginning, I will talk about the skeleton of the question paper with marking scheme, and in the latter part of the video, I'll discuss about the actual question paper. So let us begin with skeleton of the question paper. The first question has major experiments for 4 marks. There are 2 questions possible here. One is dissection of flower and second is isolation of DNA. The second question has minor experiments for 3 marks. This question also has 2 possibilities. One is study of population density of plants by quadrant method, or study of osmosis by potato osmoscope. Students, the third question is also a minor experiment for 3 marks. The 2 question includes here, one is study of soil for its type and second is study of water sample for its pH. So students, these are the 3 questions which we have to perform during the examination time. It carries 4 plus 3 plus 3, that is total 10 marks. Now, question 4 is identification. It includes total 10 spots carrying 1 mark each. Now, question 5 is project. If you write 5 to 10 pages in the handbook about the topic given by your teacher, then you might get 5 full marks. Question 6 is for 2 marks and examiners will take your oral based on the first 3 questions. The last question is about journal. Students, if your journal is complete, certified by the concerned teacher, then you will get full 3 marks. Students, if you're finding this video interesting, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now, let us start with the details of each question. First question may be the dissection of flower or isolation of DNA. In the dissection of flower, you are supposed to dissect the hibiscus flower to display its various parts such as calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Option for this question is to separate the DNA from the given biological material. This first question is for 4 marks. The second question is either study of population density of plants by quadrant method or study of osmosis by using potato osmoscope. Its weightage is 3 marks. The third question, as I said earlier, is very easy. You have to identify the type of soil such as loam soil, clay soil or sandy soil. The option for this question is to check the pH of water for the water sample given to you. Easy, isn't it? This question also carries 3 marks. Now, the question 4 is of identification. There will be 10 spots carrying 1 mark each. Half mark for identification and remaining half mark for description in short. So 4A is identification of plants adapted for wind and insect pollination. Students, when you see the maize plant, you have to write the given plant is maize adapted for wind pollination, and you have to write one or two features of maize plant towards wind pollination, like stigma is feathery, pollens are light in weight and more in number, etc. For salvia, you have to write the given plant is salvia adapted for insect pollination, and you have to write the features of salvia for insect pollination, such as the flowers are attractive, they are decorative, they show the presence of nectar, etc. Question 4B is various stages in meiosis, which includes liptotine, zygote, pachytene, diplotene, and dikinesis. These are the different stages of prophase 1. The other phases may be metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Similarly, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, or telophase 2. Students, you'll get any one picture among all these for 1 mark identification. Question 4C is about the 3 steps in hybridization, such as emasculation, bagging, and tagging. Out of these 3 stages, any one stage will come for identification. Question 4D is about the plants adapted for xeric and aquatic conditions. Here, the plants like Opuntia daleni, Acacia arabica, and Calotropis procera. These are the plants which are adapted for xeric, that is dry conditions, whereas Hydrilla and Ecornia are aquatic plants. Question 4E has 2 options. One is 4-leaf experiment to demonstrate the rate of transpiration, and option for this question is paper chromatography. Here you have to identify various plant pigments like chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, and carotenes. Question 4F also has 2 options. First is VS of anatropous ovule, and second is VS of orthotropous ovule. First is inverted ovule, whereas the second one is straight ovule. Question 4G is about the diseases which are caused by various organisms. This is a ringworm disease. Students, it is interesting to know that it is caused due to fungus and not by any type of the worm. The second is Entamoeba histolytica, which causes amoebic dysentery. The third picture is about the Plasmodium, which causes malaria, and it is spread through vectors like mosquito. And the last one is Ascaris, which causes ascariasis. Now, out of these 5 pictures, one picture will come in the examination for identification. Question 4H is a model of brain which shows the various parts of forebrain, such as frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. This model also shows the parts of hindbrain, such as cerebellum, pons varolai, and medulla oblongata. Here, the midbrain is totally covered by cerebrum in this view. Question 4I is about the histology of ovaries, testes, and the blastula. any one picture will come for identification for 1 mark. Students, we can easily identify ovary with the help of like follicles which are easily seen in the cortex at various stages of development. We can identify testes with the help of the seminiferous tubules which we can see easily in the view. And the last one is about the VS of blastula, which shows blastocele and inner cell mass. Students, the last identification is about the labio and dolphins, which are adapted for aquatic conditions, whereas the camel and kangaroo rat, which are adapted for xeric conditions. Again, any one of the picture will come in the examination for identification. So students, I hope you are following all these questions. If you understand the skeleton paper properly, you can easily score 30 out of 30 marks in the examination. So all the best for your practical session. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.